If you're looking for a hotel to stay in Oludeniz, I can personally recommend the Karbel Sun. It's a beautiful hotel. I've been staying here for the last 2.5 years. This is the main entrance. This is the main guy. So when you ever arrive here, this gentleman will be greeting you, taking your bags to your room. He's an amazing guy. And this is the lobby. So as you can see, it is a beautiful lobby. We've got the reception there. How are you? You can come in here, make your way down. You've got a couple of different options. Through there is some of the more premium rooms that you can see online. And as you come out here, you've got some stairs down to the beautiful gardens. So this is just a little tour, just to show you what is happening at the Karbel Sun in 2024. It's the 2nd of October. So as you can see, you've got some ground floor rooms. Right. You got the beautiful gardens here as well. So it's got some of the traditional old style Turkey as well. What I'm going to do is come and show you the pool. Amongst other things, we've got a restaurant here. Hey, we've got some amazing people that come back every year. And this is where you'd be having your breakfast, your dinner. This is the main place for that. And we've got some lovely food. Look at this.
Turkish homemade butter.
Homemade butter. Look at it. This is amazing. Look at that. You get amazing food when you come here as well. So we've got cool back there. So now I'm going to go and show you the pool area. So this is where you might be spending most of your time in the day if you're not out doing an excursion or trip. So as you can see, there's plenty of sunbeds, and if you come round here, if you're looking to seriously do some proper sunbathing, you've got some pool beds, I'll call them. And then this is the pool. How nice is this? Let's get that wide shot on it. It looks amazing, right? And then you can come round, and again, plenty of sunbeds. There's always a ball or float in here as well. You can come right round. I'll give you another view here of the Karbel in all its glory. You can see why I come back every year. Like I said, I've been coming here for the last 2.5 years, and yeah, I love it. The staff are amazing. You've also got this high pool as well. So you come up the stairs and you can get a great Instagram photo there. It's a perfectly located hotel as well. You've even got another pool here for the kids. So if you want to keep it a bit separate, you've got plenty of options when you come to the Karbel Sun. They've actually been doing it up quite a lot. So if you remember the Karbel Sun from, a few years ago, the pool looked very different. It had a bridge in the middle. They've been building and building and building. Like even from when, so I stayed actually in that room, right in the corner. That's one of the older style rooms, and they're actually upgrading all of the rooms now. I don't know if we're going to be able to see anything, but if we can, obviously I'll show you, but it might just be an outdoor tour. But again, like I say, this is where you would have your breakfast in the morning, and then you've got the bar. You got one of the amazing staff.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good. And how long have you been working at the Karbel Sun?
Since many years.
Many years. He's one of the veterans here. He looks after you. He makes sure that you're treated well.
Always.
And that's what happens at the Karbel Sun, right?
We are waiting for you all the time.
Go on, let them know that.
We are waiting for you all the time.
Yeah, they are. Thank you. So yeah, as you can see, you got the bar here. And again, there's all this area. There's a pool table there. It's just got a cover on it at the minute. And then if you're going to have your breakfast, this is where it will all be. So when the breakfast is being served, you've got everything laid out here. You've got a cooking station right here. So the chef will be cooking you fresh eggs, fresh omelettes. Honestly, and I'll show you the outside. Let me show you what it's like outside, because it's perfectly located. So you're on the strip. but you're right at the top of the strip. So if you don't want to go down the strip and you want to just head off to, hello, how are you, mother? If you want to head off to, you know, Saranu on the bus, on the Dolmus, you could, or the taxi rank is right there. Literally, let's zoom in for you. Taxis are just there, as you can see. They'll always be there. And then you've got the top of the strip. If you want to see more of the strip, check out one of my other videos. I've got videos of walking down at night time, walking in the daytime. But yeah, it's perfect location. They also have at nighttime entertainment here, so they always have like a band here. Yeah, all different types of entertainment. I say more seating. I say it's a great hotel, and I just wanted to showcase it because this is one of the main managers at the Karbel Sun. He's an amazing guy. He will look after you every single time, won't you? He's a great guy. So yeah, it's just a little walking tour of the Karbel. I'll show you just the final bits of the garden area down here. As you can see, there was like a lunch set menu. They've got the sax player. There's always some sort of entertainment. But yeah, I'll say I'm just a guest here. I've just wanted to do this off my own bat. They've not asked me to do this or anything like that. I just wanted to just give you an updated video because I checked on YouTube and there's not really much updated on it. So I wanted to just show you because I don't know about you, but I'm someone that I like to have a little bit of a look online on YouTube before I go and book something. This is going to be on YouTube, yeah. Have you seen me? Yes, mate. You'll see this. You'll be on it now as well. You're famous now. Come on. I love it. Whoa. You've only been here 2 days. Bless you. Yeah, well, so as you can see, there's blocks over here. So this is like the block 3. And they're doing up all the rooms at the minute. So they're all going to be looking like this gentleman. This gentleman's modelling the room for us. Are you enjoying? How's your?
Empty room on my own.
Yeah, you got a room on your own.
Yeah, empty room.
Oh, he's got an empty room.
Oh, look, you can get a snooker.
You could have a proper party in that place, couldn't you?
Yes. Good night. It's nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
You enjoy it, so you'd recommend coming to the Karbel Sun?
Yes, very.
Yeah. I hope you can hear that. He said yes, you can definitely. But yeah. Well, I'm going to post this. Did you? You're like, not that guy again. No, I just love. I think it's a great hotel and I love it. And I've been here 4 times and I thought, there's nothing on YouTube about it, is there? So, like, you know, you check on YouTube, like, it's old. It's from when it was before it was done up. So I thought, let's do a little.
Second time I've come here.
Second time you've come here. Will you come for the third?
I was in one of them over there.
Was you?
You need
You need this. I know.
you need this.
I know. I've not seen those rooms yet, but.
On my own, but there's a lot of room I can.
Come on. Could you give us? Would you mind give us a little tour of it? Or is it decent? Yeah. Come on, let's go. We're gonna. Yeah, I'll come on. 208. All right, we're getting a little tour of one of the rooms. Come on. If you don't ask, you don't get. You gotta be cheeky. I don't know if this is. I've just put this gentleman on the spot now. Is this him? Here he is. I've just put him on the spot. We'll just make sure it's early. Look at he's look. Come on, here we go, legend. We just thought we'd show everyone what the rooms are like. He's got the tunes going.
Yeah, I've got that.
Yeah, boom. Look at the bathroom. Amazing. Here we go, mate. You got it perfect here. You can pick and choose which one. Sorry, go on. Let everyone. What's your name?
Dennis.
So we've got.
Dennis Mansfield.
Yeah, ladies, if you're looking for, a gentleman.
No, my wife's at home.
Oh, no, sorry, ladies. No, I'm joking. Sorry. But yeah, no, these are the rooms. So you get a twin room. I think you can get double rooms as well, can't you? In here. Yeah. You can get them all. And go on, let's have a little view of the balcony. Go on.
Yeah, of course you can.
Hopefully the Karbel Sun will give you a free room next year now for this. Free promotion, isn't it?
It's big, isn't it? You know, the balcony.
Yeah, it is actually. This is a big. Yeah, as you can see. Look, I'm right over here. Like, this is perfect.
It's not coffee, that.
No, it's not coffee.
Oh, it's alcohol drink.
Hey, you got to do the pre-drinks, right? That's what you have to do. Legend.
Oh, I can't believe that.
Legend. I know, mate. Give me some respect, man.
Oh, man.
Thanks for that. No, thank you for letting us show the room. And you'll see this on YouTube. You see yourself on YouTube now forever.
Oh, bless. Man.
What a star, Dennis. I'll leave you to it.
Thank you.
Enjoy your holiday, enjoy your drink.
Cheers.
Cheers. I'll cheers you with the mic.
Bubblegum vodka.
Yeah, come on. What a legend. Have a good holiday, mate. We're flying home now. I'm literally going home in like an hour. I'm literally going home in like 1 hour. So that's what I thought. I wanted to do a little video before I left. So I'll post this up on there and you'll be on there. Yeah.
What is it?
So if you type in Lucy and Moon travels, or I'll put it on the. If you got the Facebook group, I love Oludeniz. Or I'll post it in there as well. And then so when you see it, you'll see my name is Jamie Benker, but you'll see Karbel Sun Tour. Yeah.
Yeah, but the problem is, you only get 6 coke hangers when you...
Do you? You only get 6. Oh, hang on. We've got we've got to show you this. You only get 6 coat hangers apparently. Is that it?
That's it. Good job my wife ain't come.
I mean, that's one for every night of the week, though, isn't it?
I've got them all in the suitcase.
Are they? What a legend. Dennis, thank you so much, my man.
Nice meeting you.
Mate, lovely to meet you. Go on, I'll shake your hand.
Bless you.
Legend.
Oh, man.
Legend. Take care, mate. Enjoy your time.
Bye.
Take care. Add me on Facebook. Take care, mate. And there you go. Right, my arm is aching. Karbel Sun, thank you so much for having us again. It's always a pleasure when we come here. And yeah, if you're looking to book, I'll put a link in the description. See you later. Bye. I'll put a link in the description. You can check out. You've had a little bit of a room tour now as well. But yeah, take care, guys. And I'm about to get on a plane now and head back to England. I heard it's raining. But yeah, enjoy yourselves when you come out here. Take care.